Yo, what up guys? It's Jesse with TheFloatLife, and today I'm going to be talking to you guys about our metal motor retention clip, and I'll show you how to install it. So first things first, you're going to want to take your motor off your board, and if you don't know how to do that, reference our tire change video because it tells you exactly how to do it. But once you get it here, you're going to want to take this. There's going to be a plastic one on there. You're going to take some clippers like these, and you're gonna just snip it off. Take off the plastic one. Mine's already gone. And then you're gonna have a clip and a tool. Main thing is that the side with the ridge on it goes face down in the tool. And it's gonna be like a perfect seal. So next thing we're gonna do is you're gonna take your motor and lay it on the side. You're gonna take this and use the force, use your pressure to really push down and seat that new clip on there. Okay, I got it halfway, so then you gotta work the other half, you know what I'm saying? And don't give up. If it feels like it's hard, you just push on through. And it seats on, just like that. It is a little tough to get on, but that is a good thing because it will not come off and it provides solid locking. We have them here on all of our boards and none of our cables come loose. So get yourself a metal locking ring at thefloatlife.com and float on, my friends.